It's been an interesting day. It's 10 o'clock here in Sydney, so I've sort of ticked off a few chores at home and mown the lawn and walked the dogs and been in the shops a few times. And the auction started and I cooked myself dinner and ended up sitting down and watching obviously Paddy Cummins go for a big number and a few of the other guys up for auction and getting a little bit jittery waiting for Group 4 to come out. But yeah, thoroughly thrilled to be joining KKR. Obviously being sort of a smaller auction and the way that the teams have retained players and whatnot, there was a few teams looking for fast bowlers, so it was just thrilled to end up with the team, but definitely even more thrilled to end up at KKR. Very intrigued with how the auction was going to play out, but certainly not a thought that came across my desk this morning when I woke up. No. I think firstly excited to be back involved with the IPL. It's been a few years since I've been involved, and I mean I was meant to be part of KKR in 2018 and unfortunately had an injury. So firstly, it's exciting to be back involved, and secondly, is more of a bit of a shock and a surprise, I guess.
Pumped to be joining SRH for the upcoming IPL season. I've heard a lot about the Orange Army. I've played at Hyderabad a few times and always loved it, so can't wait to get started. Great to see another Aussie, Trav Head, over there as well. So I think we're going to have a lot of fun in this season and hopefully plenty of success.